This is something that I purchased from Amazon. It's a fidget dice, I guess. I don't know. There's a bunch of different things. There's this on that side. There's that. There's this. So there's different things on each side. So yeah, I bought 2 of these because I'm gonna leave one in my book bag, my backpack, my bag I carry with me, my Loungefly Robin Hood bag. I'm gonna leave one of these in that bag, so when I go places, I'll have it with me. And this one, I keep near my desk in case I need it when I'm at my desk. I won't often need it at my desk, because usually when I'm at my desk, I'm busy doing other things, like on my computer or my tablet, or my computer and my tablet, or my computer and my phone and my tablet, or my phone. Anyway, I'm usually busy when I'm at my desk, but sometimes I need it. Sometimes I need this.